Cases from the Manor Court by James C. Ellis, BSc. The records of the old Manor Court of Hummonby, the forerunner of the present-day Petty Sessions Court, provide amusing illustrations of the way people misbehaved themselves in past years. We have very few details of Filey before 1675, but as the court was still running much the same way, and the misdemeanors of those brought before it changed very little from the year 1200, this is of little consequence. From among the officials who were connected with this court, the ale-taster is the man with the largest fund of stories. The task of the ale-taster was to taste all beer and wine made locally. It was his palate that decided whether the brews were sour or watered. If he found that someone was trying to defraud the public in either way, he summoned the offender to appear before the Manor Court, where a fine was impressed. In some towns, incidentally, it was the custom to make the cheat drink a flagon of his own bad beer, pour a second flagon over his head, and then drive him through the town, to undergo the jeers and insults of his townsmen, more effective than a week in jail, and at no cost to the public. The jury that sat at this court had also to judge that all bread sold in Hummonby and district was of the correct weight. If a baker was found selling underweight, he was brought before the court, and the steward of the lord of the manor imposed the correct fine. Again, it was the custom in some places to tie an offending loaf round the neck of the baker, who was then driven through the streets to advertise his offence. In 1675 a person was presented for this offence at Hummonby Court by the Filey jury, and was fined 8 shillings. An appeal was lodged, however, and the fine was reduced to 6 shillings.